Hello guys, gagawa na naman tayo ng loading na UI. Then, gagawin na natin ngayon. Let's go! First muna is, punta ka sa my settings. Tas UI, tas default. Sikapin mo to. Tas rename mo. Kung ano i-rename mo. Kunyari, loading screen. Ay, hindi. Nagkamali guys. Loading screen. Tapos dito yung, ay, mali. Mag-default na naman tayo dito. So, name, main. Then, punta kayo dito. Tas sa itong dot. Edit. Tas, kahit anong UI lang naman kaso pag sakto. Then, kunyari, green. Tas, isa-search. Pwede nyo isa-search ng ganito. Kunyari, Quezon, Unicap. Yan. Then, punta ka sa may static progress bar.
This is the Supreme Black Card specially customized for me by my sister from the World Bank. Only the greatest figures in the world can possess it. My sister made an exception to issue one.
Yan.
And
Tas,
I will use this black
bura
card
natin, nag-zero yung current value. Then,
That's a priceless card. Could she really be the daughter of the richest woman, Madame Song?
eto,
This is my younger sister's true affection. You should hurry up and
text.
agree. As long as you agree, I will immediately
Tas,
call my mother and eldest sister to invite the
please.
entire network of the richest Song family.
Please wait.
Of course, this is the World Bank's top-level black card, a symbol of global top-tier status.
Ay, mali.
State, only godfathers of
Dapat,
various ministries are worthy of owning it. As the
loading.
president, they only have the right to give away
Loading. Please wait.
absolutely thing.
The World Bank Supreme Black Card.
Only black card.
Yeah, he's just Bank Supreme Black.
Please check the identity of the owner of this card.
Yan. Then, pagkatapos i-click nyo tong progress bar. Then, edit natin sa script. Then, punta kaya sa logic. Das if. Tas, property, current object. Ay, hindi pala self. Self pala po. Sorry na. Then, current value. Tas, iba 100 natin. Then, punta kayo sa may command. Tas, i-ano mo yung set to. Tas, punta kayo sa expression. Tas, current player. Then, UI. Then, click. Ay, ano ba? I-click natin yung loading screen. Ay, na-remove. Loading screen, layer 1, layer is active. Ibig sabihin pa nag-false. Huwag nyo ito true. Baka hindi yan gagana. Then, punta kayo sa command. At saka, execute. Then, current player, tas command, change UI, then main, at saka punta kayo sa may command, set to, then i-current nyo ulit. Ay, wala pa pala. Property, tsaka i-current, tas, ay, natanggal. Tas, UI, punta kayo sa may character UI, joystick, Then, click reset. Ay, i-copy nyo po pala. Yan, i-throw nyo ninyo. Then, exit po kayo. Tapos, punta kayo sa UI property.
Yes, that's him. I've seen him. He's the god who calls himself the
Then, when UI, saka, click nyo sec. Yan. Tapos,
Sorry, are you really that great?
ipili po kayo kahit anong number.
How long has been on this since he was a child?
Like, ano ba? Like,
Yes, Mom, and I've said it before, I won't
Five.
make you worry. I will
Tas,
protect you well and be kind.
get object nyo. Yan. Pag napili na ganyan yung progress bar, UI nyo, current value. Then, i-change nyo yung ganito. Ay, wag to. Ay,
I said I would send you a dance. What are you trying to hide?
i-change natin ng 100. Then, exit tayo, tas play. Yan, nag-wait na siya. Tas, kanan, ang galing ko, nakabisado ko na yung script. Ngayon ko lang po yan naintindihan kasi nung ano po, nung mga bata po ko, di pa po ako marunong mag-script. Ngayon po, marunong na po. Then iulit po natin, edit, tas play natin.
Therefore, when I had the ability, especially
Ang ganda. O, di ba?
its name,
Then, thank you po sa pag-watching. Then, sana maintindihan niyo po. And then, thank you po sa pagkikinig. Tas sana ma-practicean niyo yung script na nilalagay ko. Baka makalimutan niyo. Wag puro kayo ML ng ML dyan. Mag-aral muna. Mag-aral-aral guys. Okay then, bye!